I'm Kristen.
And I'm Jameson.
We're Perpetual Moves, and we've been living in our motorhome for the past 3.5 years.
And we just bought a house.
Yes, it is a summer cabin, though it was built for year-round living. For right now, we are going to stay on the road for the winter and spend our summers here. And we thought you might like a tour.
Let's go. This is our dining room. So the first room once we come into the house is our dining room. And we were lucky enough that they left us some furniture. It's not all the furniture we'd choose, but it is great to have something to start with because coming from the RV, we didn't have any furniture because the RV was fitted with furniture. So nice to have a little jump start. The next room is our living room. This is where our wood stove is, and our couch.
Maddie's currently occupying the couch.
The couch came with the house.
It's like 1992.
It's one of the first things we're upgrading. We found a nice used one, but they are not moving until September, so we've just got a little bit of time before we get that one. But it's a great living room for us with a back deck behind, so we feel like we live in nature.
Yeah. And welcome to our kitchen. This is a little bit bigger than the kitchen we have in the RV, but really not that much. We love our RV kitchen. The biggest changes are this full-size oven, which we don't even know what to do with. It takes 20 minutes to heat up. It's kind of crazy. And of course, a full-size fridge. Those are definitely the biggest upgrades for us. And the thing I'm still getting used to is having unlimited water. Every time I come to the sink, I just put on a little trickle, forget that I can open it all the way. So we have tons of storage, and now that we are moved into the house fully, we're just realizing we're gonna have to have some stuff for the RV when we leave here this winter. So probably gonna have to double up on some of our kitchen stuff. But yeah, this is our kitchen. It does the job. We love it. And we'll go on to the bedroom.
Welcome to our first floor master. One of the features that we really did like about this house was the fact that it had a first floor master. Both of our parents may come to visit up here, hopefully. We really like that this will be a first floor master that they can stay in, and it'll be really simple for everyone. When we came into the house, we brought the mattress with us. There was a mattress here, but it was quite old, so it was something that we immediately wanted to replace. And the mattress that we had in the bus was a full-size regular queen, and it was too long for the RV. So when Kristen and I would move, one of us would have to lay on the bed and pull part of the bed up as it was sliding in to not knock the other slide out. It was quite a dance that we had to do. So having this mattress in here is great, but that means we need to upgrade the RV, and that's coming very soon. There's quite a bit of closet space in here. That's another thing that we like about this. Since we have a diesel pusher, we have a full rear closet, but the full rear closet was about that much storage probably.
Yeah, maybe half.
So it's a lot more having the house. Good.
Do you like your new house? You love your couch? You like going and playing in the woods? Okay, let's head upstairs. The upstairs for us is basically just guest living space. We don't really need it. And our previous owners left us all the beds that they had up here for their guests. So we're kind of fit and ready to go. But we decided to each take a little space out of each room for our offices. So my office is through here. So I took my desk and chair out of the RV for now. I may choose something different down the road that will stay in the house so I don't have to take everything out of the RV. But my favorite part of my office, as always, is this huge window. I love that I get to look right outside all day, every day. And came with the house, I got this big old dresser, which is awesome for having all my books and journals and all of the reference materials that I use for work, and tuck them away in a hidden spot. And many of them actually may not come back in the RV with us. So yeah, this is my workspace, and it has 2 beds. Maddie's always on one of them. So we're just right now gonna keep as many beds as we can so that we can host as many guests as possible.
And this is my work area. I've got my desk here that I took out of the RV where I can have my monitor, my work computer, and my personal computer. I have ADHD, so I like to have a lot of things going on at the same time. It doesn't bother me. But I have a tiny little window that I can at least see some pine trees out of. And then we do have a bathroom up here, which is nice, but I have this little lounge area that is nice that my office has that Kristen's doesn't.
Yeah, I'm jealous of your couch.
Yeah. If I'm ever having like a long day, I can just take a few minutes, come over here with the laptop, and just work on the couch and be a little bit more comfortable.
Okay, so that's a wrap.
Thanks for coming to look at our little cabin in the woods.
Yeah, if you want to tune in next time, we're going to do a 1-month review after living in a sticks and bricks house for 1 month compared to having been in an RV for the past few years. I know it's the opposite direction from what most people do, but we spent many years in our RV and now we're adjusting to life in a house.
Yeah, all the amenities that a house brings, it's quite different than the RV.
Yeah, for the first few days, I felt like anxious that I didn't know where Maddie and Jameson were all the time, because generally you can feel people walking around the RV and you can always hear and see them. And I'd be like, where did they go? So yeah, we're just adjusting to this life, and we'll give you a quick review of that next time.
Yep.
Thanks for watching.